My name is Professor Tony Buzan, the inventor of mind mapping and the founder of the Speed Reading Championships and the author of 140 books on mind mapping, speed reading, memory, and becoming a brilliant student. I had trouble in school, I had trouble at university, and I began to realize that I needed three things to do. One, I had to learn how to read faster and comprehend and understand. Number two, I had to learn how to take notes, and I didn't know how to take notes, so I invented mind maps. And then, having done all that, I had to remember it, so I had to improve my memory. So all you have to do is to learn how to use your brain. It was my first prime book, Use Your Head, because I was trying to work out how to use mine. And now with Michel, you have one of the best brain users on the planet. A superb speed reader, a very good everybodyer, right? Mind map, speed reading, memory, you've got him. So make sure you get to him sooner the better.